So we done all the pastry and all these toppings. I got pies, guys. So I got big hole here. I wanted this bit big and that to cover it. So let's gonna cut them. This, guys, is perfect. Cut this hole already with this perfect round here to cover this. So I'm gonna get in it like this. We're gonna put this on the top of the thing. So like this, we cover them, and I'm gonna remove this so they're not together. Alright. So we cover them, and I think I'm gonna cut this corner here. And we're gonna put some hole here in the middle of this, so it won't bust, And then I will do the rest. Alright, guys, make round and then cover them all. Alright, guys, I'm almost done, but I haven't cut the other yet with the circle, but I'm getting there. And we're gonna put some oil, tiny bit of it on the top so it won't stick, or you can put the egg white. Okay, so turn brown, but it is so it will turn brown. There, more. So I'm gonna cut more round circle, and I'm gonna put lid on this on the top. Thank you. Alright, my friends, this is the last one now, and I've just paste this one with the other leftover. So, and then we're gonna put this in the oven after we put some oil on them. Put this in the oven for around, because the inside is already cooked, really pre-cooked. Put it in the oven for 15 or 20 minutes and 180 degrees Celsius. Alright, guys, wish me luck. This is a hard working here, not luck. You need to work for this. Alright, guys, some of you may notice there are some pastry thicker, but it's alright. I'm gonna put this in the oven now.